Welcome! In this video, we'll walk through how to set up grain harvest weight sharing, a powerful feature that displays the grain weights across all John Deere displays in the field and in the John Deere Operations Center mobile app. With this setup, no combine, grain cart, or semi-driver will ever have to worry about the grain cart weight again. Today's video will accompany the steps laid out within the Equipment Mobile app. To find this information in Equipment Mobile, you will need to search, browse Precision Ag Technologies, and find grain harvest weight sharing. John Deere partners with 6 different scale companies to ensure their tech works seamlessly with various scales and components. Each scale and display setup might need different parts and software to get everything running smoothly. Just check with your John Deere dealer to make sure you have the right parts. You can see there are 2 different ways scales can connect to a John Deere display, either through the COM port or the ISO bus. We will walk through both options today. Prior to setting up the display, you'll need a compatible display, license, receiver, a modem with JD-Link connectivity, the appropriate software version, and in-field data sharing. Before we begin, make sure in-field data sharing is properly set up. Confirm that all combines and grain carts are included in the in-field data sharing group. Now let's configure your COM scale. Follow these steps. Tap Menu, go to the System tab, then tap COM port settings. Select Edit under Device Type, select Grain Cart Scale. Tap Manufacturer and choose your scale type. Select Save. When the equipment is detected, tap Next. Tap Grain Cart, then OK, or tap the plus icon to add and set up your grain cart. Choose your preferred units and tap Save. Review the equipment profile and tap OK. For Digistar scales, you will need to configure the output settings on the scale. Specific instructions can be found in the Equipment Mobile app or from your John Deere dealer. If you're using an ISOBUS compatible scale, here's what to do. Plug the system into the tractor. A work setup pop-up will appear. For UHarvest Pro, there's an additional step. Ensure your software version is 24.104 or later, then enable Task Controller communication. Tap the Settings icon. Tap Scale Setup. Check the box labeled Enable Task Controller Communication. Tap the check mark to confirm. Now that your scale is configured properly in the grain cart tractor, you'll want to add the modules to your display if they are not already there. To do this, you will go into Layout Manager and find the sharing application to manually add the modules to a run page. This needs to be done for all carts and combines in the workgroup. And that's it. Once everything is set up, your team will have real-time visibility into grain weights, making harvest operations smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helped you. For more detailed step-by-step information on grain harvest weight sharing and advanced technologies, please work with your John Deere dealer, navigate Deere.com, or visit the John Deere Equipment Mobile app and browse Precision Technology.